These chocolate no bake energy balls are delicious and healthy. Made with only real ingredients, they are sweet without any added sugar and packed with natural protein and lasting energy. They are so much better than store bought protein bars. To make these no bake energy balls, take 100 grams or 1 cup of rolled oats and place them in a blender or food processor. Blend until they are coarsely ground. Next, add 100 grams or about 1 cup of almonds and 100 grams of walnuts to the food processor. Blend until the nuts are finely chopped and mixed with the oats, as you can see here. Next, add 100 grams or about 1 cup of pitted dates for sweetness. Blend until the dates are finely chopped and everything is well mixed together. Now, pour the mixture into a mixing bowl and add 2 tablespoons of honey. This will add extra sweetness and help hold the mixture together when forming it into balls. Give it a quick mix and then use your hands to form the mixture into bite-sized balls. Make sure to press firmly so the balls hold their shape. This recipe makes about 15 energy balls. Once you have shaped all the balls, melt 100 grams or about a half a cup of semi-sweet dark chocolate with 1 tablespoon of butter. Coat each energy ball with the melted chocolate mixture and place them on a wire rack. Allow them to set for about 30 minutes or until the chocolate hardens. Drizzle any leftover chocolate over the tops of the energy balls for an extra touch. If you like these no-bake energy balls, be sure to check out this healthy version of Ferrero Rocher protein balls here.